Hi guys, here is Geisha, and I'm gonna show you the progress in her pregnancy. Gosh baby, gosh. As you can see, she is big. And she's due anytime now. And hopefully everything's gonna be okay. And hopefully she's not gonna give birth to her babies in our bed. So, hey Keisha, what are you doing? Hey, what are you doing? Kush. And now I can hear the heartbeat of the babies with this. Hey, Keisha. And she knows what it is. Cause she's a smart dog. And she's gonna lay. Keisha, kush. Like that. And let me listen. So I have a heartbeat there. Pretty strong one. Oop, a kick. Let's see if you can see that. Oop. There's one baby right in this spot. And mama's gonna fall asleep. Good girl. Yes, you are. Good girl. Hey. And I have a strong heartbeat there. And mommy is resting. She's gonna fall asleep. A very strong heartbeat there. Yeah, very strong. very strong heartbeat there. So we have at least 3 babies. Very, very, very strong here. And mommy's sleeping. Oh. Oh, a kick. I'm trying to let you see a baby kicking, but not sure if you can't see, but still trying to show you a baby kicking. I have one right there. I can feel it. So yeah. So any day now we're gonna have some puppies. Hey mommy, we're gonna have some puppies. Oh, mommy's tired. Oh. Here's my baby girl. So tired. And her eyes are red when she's tired. Like all the Boston Terrier. And this time all she does is eat and sleep. So she's gonna be a good mama. Hey, you gonna be a good mama? Hey, you gonna be a good mama? Hmm? Oh, love you so much. Hey, my little pink nose. Hmm? You see? I see. Kesha. 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 What are you doing? Hey, what are you doing? Oh, tired, eh? Oh. Oh. Life is hard, eh? Life is hard. Hey, life is hard. Hey, Kesha. Oh, oh. Who daddy? Il a pas daddy. Who daddy? Who daddy? Who daddy? Who daddy? She knows that he is outside the door, so that's why she looking at the door. So here she is with her big belly. Big belly. big belly full of milk for the babies. Yes. Hey, big belly. Big belly. Big belly. Hmm. Where's Daddy? Where's Daddy? Who Daddy? Yeah. I see. I see. I see. Regarde-moi, regarde-moi. I see. Donne la patte. Donne la patte. L'autre. Hop. Hey. Hey. Hop. Hey. Hop. Fais la belle. Fais la belle. Sorry for the bordello. Hop. Hop. You're too lazy. Hey, mama. Hey, mama. So we are gonna try to film the birth of the babies. And I'm gonna keep update you guys if you're interested with the puppies. And in a couple of weeks, probably gonna show you which one I chose. And here's mama. Here's mama. Hey, mama. Who daddy? Who daddy? She's so beautiful and she's so smart. Hey, Keisha. Hey, Keisha. She don't love the camera. Oh, are you sad? Hey, are you sad? Hey, girl, are you sad? Hey, oh, are you sad, baby girl? Hey, oh, tired, eh? Tired, eh? Oh, baby. Oh, baby girl. You're so cute. You're so cute. Hey. Oh. I love her big your big lips. Wah. Okay, so thanks for watching, and I'm gonna keep update you if you're interested. And oh, you're so beautiful. So yeah, thanks for watching. Keisha. Donne la patte. Donne la patte. Donne la patte. Donne la patte. Bye guys. Oh.